Welcome. In front of me I have the cordless glue gun, which is also motorized, from Tilswall. And yeah, I'll just go over unboxing with a quick little test of it. So, inside we get, if I remember correctly, 10 sticks. Then we get a little base for the charging, cable, the gun, and manual. Now, I'm not really sure why we need a manual for a device that has literally a single button, but okay. So, first things first, let's see if we have any charge. Oh, we have a light. Now this well, not the brightest light. So it looks like we do have a charge. Now let's get a little stick. These look a little bit smaller than the typical glue gun sticks, so it leads me to believe it might be like proprietary in some way. There we go, so it grabbed it. So it looks like we won't need to charge it, but in any case I'm just going to kind of demonstrate this. So you just lap this on here, and as you can see it holds. Doesn't really tip over, well, at least not easily, or maybe side to side. And yeah, it charges. Now additionally we also have a Type-C charging port at the bottom, so you don't need to put it on this stand. You can just literally plug it in like a phone to charge and use it in a wired mode, which looks like we do have a red light around here. I believe this is for charging. Nope, that just indicator, I guess, that it's working. So let's glue something. Oh, I think it literally just turned off. Now it is green at the moment. Now I assume it needs to heat up, so... yep. Okay, well that's all over the place now. So it started squirting a little bit because I did push it while it was still heating up. So let's try it now. And poop. Now it's still slowly dripping out of it. Yep. So I'm not even pressing the button. It would be nice if it had some way to stop it. So yeah, it looks like it just spews it till pressure just goes away. That's a little bit unfortunate. It would be nice if there was some kind of way to reverse it. Maybe if I read a manual, there would be something about it. But in any case, I guess that was a great first showcase of this. So, let's see. Maybe I should have glued a different part of this phone. But obviously, as you can see, it is holding. So there we go. So If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.